So we're going to do some right turns on crossroads, we're going to do some right emerging at crossroads also. So let's get driving and let's get it done. So we're coming to a crossroads and we're going to be turning right, and on this one here there's going to be a right lane for it. Now the lights are on red, so expect them to change. So let's check our mirrors, let's signal, let's start slowing down for second gear, and then we're ready for the change, which it is. And it says right turns give way to oncoming traffic. Now there's nothing there, so there's no reason to stop. You can just look where you want to go and go in the correct side. Just remember, when it is as quiet as that, to go in the correct lane. I have seen cars turn the wrong way. So we've got some traffic lights ahead of us, which is crossroads, and we're going to be turning right on them. And we're going to use the near side to near side method, which means that the car coming the opposite direction to turn right is going to go to my left, and we're going to go to their left, which is our right. So we're checking our emergency signaling, and we're just slowing down for the lights. And you see under the red light there, it's going green, there's a yellow sign saying right turns, beware of oncoming traffic. So you see the car in front of me is going to do exactly the same as me, opposite. So we're both turning across each other and giving way to the white car. Now he's turning there, just making sure. Yeah, he's definitely put his indicator on now. Sometimes what you've got to watch out for is people, especially in busy times, they'll use that right lane if it's not busy to shoot through. So be wary of that. So we're coming to another crossroads. We're in a side road this time, and there's going to be no lights on it. It's just a matter of not cutting the corner, quite important, and giving way to oncoming cars. So we can see one ahead of us there. Now there's a car park right on the crossroads, making it hard for everyone. So I'm going to be doing a right turn into this one here, but I don't want to cut the corner, so I've got to get myself back to my side a bit so I'm safe. So I'm going around that silver car. We've made it really hard for everyone, because if you cut the corner then into the other lane, then you can guarantee you're going to fail your test for that. But people do park in strange places. Another crossroads again, another right turn. And remember, it's just straightforward. If there's a car coming towards you, you'd obviously, who's close, would give way to him, but there's nothing there, so it's just straightforward right turn into it. Just don't cut the corner. You know, keep the discipline of standards so it's safe. Some of the questions that crop up when I'm running through crossroads is what happens if the person the other way is exactly the same as you, doing the opposite of you, and there's no space, we haven't got two lanes. And I tend to say, well, it's like an etiquette thing, isn't it? So if you get there first, then the car coming towards you would probably give you a bit of space and let you go first. You know, and it's the same for you, for them. If they get there first, then you would let them go first. So here's a good example here. We're going to turn right, and I mean, at the moment there's nothing behind us, so if there's a car coming through and they watch turn right and they get here before us, we'll be signalling, and we want to be slowing down about here to let them go. And that's the best way to do it, get them out of the way. Because if you pull forward and stop there, they can't turn, you can't turn. It's easier then to let them go, and then you go after that. So we're going to do an emerge right out of a side road on a crossroads. So we'll just do a left turn here, and that'll bring us to where we need to go. And the thing about emerging right, it's just like anything, isn't it? If you can't see, you should slow down and give way. But because of crossroads, then you would probably 9 times out of 10 stop and look, because there's more roads there, so more cars possibly. So we're going to do a right turn. Now there's not behind us, so while we're here, I'll explain a few things. So it's clear, so straightforward, slow down, pop it in first gear, check. So you're looking to your right, left, and ahead of you. It's clear, you go. Dead easy. But if there's a car in front of me, opposite, who wants to go past me, and they get there same time as you, then you're going to let them go because you're going to cross their road. If it gets there quite late after you, then if you're lucky, he might let you go, but technically when he gets there, you should be still letting him go. If the car in front of you is turning right, just like we're turning right, then it's just a matter of whoever gets there first would actually go first, so you can actually get eye contact and it will actually help. I hope that makes it easier to explain that bit there, because it's one of the things where when you're in a situation where you both got the same to do and it's opposites, you want to get eye contact with them and just either give them a little nod or they might give you a little nod. Sometimes there's little telltale signs where they're rushing to get there and you can see them looking pretty fast and you know they're going to chance it, so you can just hold back and let them go. So I hope you've enjoyed this short video on turning right at crossroads and emerging right from a side road at a crossroads. If you have and you want to see more of these videos, then check out the channel, because on a Monday, every Monday, I upload a video, and if you like it, subscribe, click like, and look forward to the next video. Take care and safe driving.